Hello guys, welcome to See Geeks. Today we are going to learn different methods to share your Wi-Fi networks and mobile data with other devices like mobile phone, laptop and PCs without having password of that specific network. I have connected with network PTCL and I want to share this specific network with other devices without entering password of this Wi-Fi network. First of all, you need QR scanner application on that specific other device which you want to connect through this network via QR code. You need to go to Play Store on other device to have QR scanner. You can download, search QR. Now these are all applications for QR scanning. You can have any one. I have third one, QR and barcode scanner. I will open it. Log. Now this is application to scan QR of that specific Wi-Fi network. You need to open this app on other device. Then go to your Wi-Fi network, go to setting, Wi-Fi network PTCL. Now I want to share this network without entering password. Go to option of that network. Now this is a QR code, specific code for this Wi-Fi network. You just need to scan this QR on any other device to connect with this Wi-Fi network named as PTCL. Guys, in this way you can connect your other devices with this network without having or entering password of this network. Then next, our tutorial is to connect with hotspot. Now I will turn it off, Wi-Fi will be off, and I will turn it on data networks. Now my device is on mobile networks. Now I want to share this network on any other device. First of all, I will go to other networks and connection option. Then go to personal hotspot. Now turn it on personal hotspot. You can configure this hotspot named as I have named as HP, and this is HP123456 password of this Wi-Fi network. Now this device is router and it will show Wi-Fi network named as HP, and you can connect any other device or laptop through this network named as HP while entering password HP123456. In this way you can connect any other device and use this mobile data on other devices. So this one. Now you can go to other sharing mode for specific connection. Share, first option, share phone network via Bluetooth. This is old option, you can use it for connecting as Bluetooth. The next option is share phone network via USB. In this way you can specifically connect your PC which don't have Wi-Fi networks. An option, you can connect this mobile data networks and run PC on this network, on this mobile data. First of all, you need to connect Wi-Fi cable with this phone and PC. Then you need to have turn it on option, share phone network via USB. You need to on this one. In this way you can connect this mobile network specifically and you can run internet on specific PC while connecting USB cable. Thanks guys for learning, watching. Please like our video and subscribe our channel.